For decades, you've started your day the same way, with a cup of coffee. It wakes you up, sure. But what if I told you that you've been leaving the most powerful part of your morning routine on the table? Literally. Because while your coffee is giving you a temporary jolt of energy, it's doing nothing to address the real issues we face after 60. The creeping joint stiffness, the stubborn brain fog, the aching inflammation that slows you down. But there is a single, simple shift, adding just 1 spoon of a specific natural powder that can transform your ordinary cup of coffee into the most potent, anti-aging, energy-reviving, joint-supporting elixir you've ever had. This isn't about a weird-tasting health fad. This is about a real, scientifically backed method to help you move with less pain and reclaim the vibrant energy you remember. Let's uncover what this is, why your coffee is letting you down after 50. Let's be honest about coffee. For years, it's been our go-to for a quick burst of energy and mental alertness, and that's fine, as far as it goes. But that energy is a loan from your body, not a gift. And after 50, the interest rates go up. Over time, relying solely on caffeine can stress your adrenal system, contribute to dehydration, and if you're not careful, can even leach minerals from your bones, especially if you're drinking it instead of eating a nutrient-rich breakfast. The fundamental problem is this. After 50, your body's needs change. You don't just need a stimulant, you need foundational support. You need building blocks for your joints, fuel for your brain that doesn't cause a crash, and compounds that fight the chronic inflammation that's at the root of so much age-related pain and fatigue. The solution isn't to give up your coffee, it's to upgrade it. By adding specific functional powders, you turn a simple beverage into a targeted delivery system for the exact nutrients your aging body is craving. Top powders to add to your coffee after 50 and what they do. Now, before I reveal these 6 life-changing powders, I have a quick and exciting personal update. I've set a big, ambitious goal for this channel, to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Honestly, your support is what makes it all possible. So, if you're over 50 and you're ready to feel a real difference in your energy and joint health, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. It takes just a second, but it tells me you want more of this kind of content. All right, let's get to it. The number 1 most important powder to add to your coffee is 1. Collagen powder, hydrolyzed type 1 and type the 3rd. This is the number 1 most important powder you can add. Think of collagen as the mortar that holds the bricks of your body together. It's the primary protein in your joints, skin, bones, and gut lining. After 40, our natural production plummets, leading to wrinkles, creaky joints, and weaker bones. What it does, it provides your body with the raw materials to rebuild cartilage, strengthen bones, improve skin elasticity, and even repair your gut lining. How to use? 1 scoop of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. It is completely flavorless and dissolves instantly in hot liquid. You will not taste it. Key benefit: this is your direct answer to joint stiffness and pain. Many people report feeling a difference in their flexibility within a few weeks. 2. Ceylon cinnamon. Not all cinnamon is created equal. The common cassia cinnamon you find in most grocery stores can be hard on your liver in large doses. But true, Ceylon cinnamon is a different story. It's a health powerhouse. What it does: it helps improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, which is crucial for maintaining steady energy and avoiding fat storage. It also enhances blood flow to the brain, sharpening your focus, and it can help smooth out the jittery effects of caffeine. How to use? About half a teaspoon. It gives your coffee a warm, sweet, and slightly floral flavor without any sugar. Key benefit: it turns your coffee from a blood sugar roller coaster into a more stable source of energy and mental clarity. 3. Turmeric plus black pepper. If inflammation is the fire inside your body causing joint pain and stiffness, then this duo is the fire extinguisher. What it does: The active compound in turmeric curcumin is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. But on its own, your body struggles to absorb it. That's where the black pepper comes. In a single pinch, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. How to use: a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper. It has an earthy flavor. For best absorption, add a tiny drop of coconut oil or a splash of milk to give the curcumin some fat to bind to. Key benefit: directly targets and soothes arthritic pain and overall bodily inflammation. 4. Lion's mane mushroom powder. This isn't a magic mushroom, it's a smart mushroom. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or struggled to find the right word, this is for you. What it does: lion's mane is one of the few substances known to stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF. This is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps support memory, focus, and the health of your entire nervous system. How to use: half a teaspoon daily. It has a mild, slightly nutty and savory taste that blends surprisingly well with coffee. Key benefit: fights brain fog and supports long-term cognitive health, backed by serious scientific studies. 5. MCT oil powder. Imagine a source of energy for your brain that doesn't come from sugar and doesn't lead to a crash. That's MCT oil. What it does: MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, are a unique type of fat that your liver converts directly into ketones, a super efficient fuel for your brain and body. It provides clean, sustained energy and helps with mental focus. How to use: 1 tablespoon of the powder version, which is less messy than the oil. It makes your coffee wonderfully creamy, almost like a latte. Key benefit: smooth, jitter-free energy and powerful support for your brain and metabolism. 6. Ashwagandha, the adaptogen. If coffee puts your foot on the gas, ashwagandha gently applies the brakes to your stress levels. It's an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to and manage stress. What it does: it lowers cortisol, your primary stress hormone. High cortisol disrupts sleep, promotes belly fat storage, and wreaks havoc on your entire system. Ashwagandha calms the nervous system, improving resilience and sleep quality. How to use: no more than half a teaspoon, stirred very well. It has a slightly bitter, earthy taste that pairs well with cinnamon. Key benefit: it counteracts the stress effects of caffeine, leading to a calm, focused energy and better sleep at night. Supercharged coffee. Recipe: walk like you're 40. Again, now let's combine these power players into what I call the senior super brew. This single cup supports your joints, brain, nerves, stress levels, and metabolism all at once. The recipe: base: 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee. For joints and gut, 1 scoop of collagen powder. For inflammation, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper. For blood sugar and brain flow, half teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. For clean brain energy, 1 tablespoon MCT oil powder. For stress and calm focus, half teaspoon ashwagandha, optional but recommended. The method: pour everything into a blender and blend for 20 to 30 seconds. This is key. It emulsifies everything into a smooth, creamy, latte-like consistency without any gritty texture. If you don't have a blender, a simple milk frother can work in a pinch, but blending is best. The result: this isn't just coffee. It's a complete nutritional foundation for your day, designed specifically for a body over 50 inches. Before you run out and buy everything, start smart. Pick just 1 or 2 powders that address your biggest concern. Maybe collagen for your joints or lion's mane for your brain. Introduce them slowly. Always look for high quality, organic, and lab tested brands. Your health is worth the investment. And please ditch the sugary creamers and artificial sweeteners. They are working directly against the benefits of these powders. Consistency is everything. You won't rebuild your joints or rewire your brain in one day. But if you stick with this for 7 to 14 days, you will likely feel a real noticeable difference in your energy, your pain levels, and your mental clarity. Now, I have to ask you, which of these powders are you most excited to try? Is it the joint supporting collagen, the brain boosting lion's mane, or the inflammation fighting turmeric? Let me know in the comments below. Your answer helps me create more of what you need. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to take more simple, powerful steps to take control of your health after 60, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We're here to give you the honest, science-backed strategies you need to stay strong, sharp, and pain-free. Thanks for watching.